Did you know a Roman soldier showed more faith than anyone in all of Israel? This centurion commanded 100 men, held absolute authority, yet faced something his power couldn't fix. His beloved servant was dying, and Roman medicine had failed completely. In desperation, he made a shocking decision that could destroy his career. He would approach a Jewish teacher named Jesus. First, he sent Jewish elders to plead his case, showing incredible humility for a man of his rank. Then he sent friends with an astounding message. He told Jesus not to come to his house, saying he wasn't worthy of such an honor. Instead, he said something that changed everything. Just speak the word, and my servant will be healed. You see, I understand authority. I give orders and they're obeyed. Jesus was amazed. He turned to the crowd and declared he had never found such faith in all of Israel. True faith recognizes God's authority above all earthly power.